Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can redeem DLC codes on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and for your information guys, if you want to redeem a DLC code, you need to use PC or laptop because we won't be able to redeem it on mobile phone. Okay, after you have opened Dress to Impress from your PC or laptop, you can just go to the codes menu and you can click on DLC codes here. You can click on this menu and you will be able to redeem your DLC codes right here. Just enter the code and click on redeem. Okay, and I'm just going to close it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to redeem DLC codes on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.